What's the right way to scale Amazon PPC without blowing up my ACOS? Scaling is one of those things that people think that you have to gain right away weight, otherwise you cannot scale. In our eyes, when we're talking about scaling, is first thing that we're going to look into is what are the things that I need to hold back on. So now the budget that I have, that I invested, it's going to work in a better way for us. So what we would do, even when it comes down to scaling, we would first optimize. We would first optimize everything that it did not for the past 30 days, that is not part of our current strategy, we would pause. Everything that is not anymore relevant, we would pause. Anything that is maybe a seasonal campaign that we tried, first up, we would cut back on everything that is not anymore relevant. Second thing, we are going to double down on everything that works. And by doubling down, what I mean, hey, if you see that these specific search terms, once that you downloaded your search term report, they work for you and you have not created campaigns with them in phrase match, broad match, exact match, you are going to add that within those match types. Maybe you're seeing that you actually did created already those type of campaigns. Next is going to be, all right, so I already have sponsored product campaigns with these specific search terms. How can I duplicate that success? So you would look into sponsored brand ads and then take the same keywords and see how are they going to perform your sponsored brand ads. Can you replicate the same success from sponsored products? And if yes, amazing. Then the next thing what you would be looking into, sponsored display ads. Are you already creating sponsored display ads? How do they perform for you? Is there anything you could be doing better there? So the way how we are seeing it, it's not as much about just creating new campaigns out of nowhere and the same type of campaigns, but rather what is something that I can duplicate successfully. That would be the strategy we would be applying.